Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Welcome back to me. Sorry for the long time because I got sick, no. So minsan our body needs to relax. So hindi na rin tayo bumabata. So um teachers should take care their health also. And but today, so we are going to study about simple sample spaces and using the tree diagram. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Of course, our objective, find sample space using tree diagram. And the relevance, learn various methods of finding out how many possible outcomes of a probability experiment are possible and use this information to find probability. Oh, let's have warm up. Describe the correlation. X is equals to um, X is equals weight of luggage. Y is equals to cost of to fly or your luggage on an airplane. Is it strong positive or negative? The answer is strong positive. Okay, so X is equals to number of uh, chiropractic adjustments, and Y is the amount of back pain. So what type of correlation is this? Is negative or positive? Of course, it is negative. So because of um, the no correlation, the back pain, negative. Okay, what kind of sampling is this? So remember when you are in grade 7, we talk about several time sampling techniques such as systematic, stratified, um, what else? No, but here, what is this? In every fifth adult entering an airport is checked for extra security screening. Of course, if it is talk about every fifth, that means it is systematic. Okay, a writer for an art magazine randomly selects and interviews 50 male and 50 female artists. So this one is stratified. Okay. A student scores 75 on a geography test with a mean of 80 and a standard deviation of 5. The same student scored a 249 in his math test with a mean of 300 and a standard deviation of 34. On which test did the students score better relative to their students in the class? Okay, so the Z score for geography is 75 minus 80 over 5. That's negative 1. While in the z-score in math is 249 minus 300 over 34, that's negative 1.50. So that means the student scored better in geography tests. Okay. Now, so these are the terms that we are going to encounter in our next lessons or in this lesson. So we have outcome, a particular result of an experiment, event, and any subsets of all outcomes. So this is all called sample space. Okay, so the set and for sample space is set of all possible outcomes. Outcomes cannot be overlapped. So all our outcomes can be represented by a list, a tree diagram, or a grid. Okay, so these are the same definition of terms here. Okay, experiment is an activity involving chance that can have different results. So it is a process that, when performed, results in exactly one of many observations. Activities such as tossing or flipping a coin, rolling a die, or picking a card from the standard deck of a cards without looking could be repeated and have well-defined results. So this is an experiment. So here, of course, so we discussed already outcomes and sample space. Now let's have this example. List the sample spaces for drawing one card from a deck of cards. Okay, so we have here, of course, in a deck of cards, we have 52 because we have 52 cards. So we have 13, 13 clubs, 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, and 13 speeds for a total of 52. So that means they have 52 outcomes. Find the sample space for drooling to die. Okay, so we have here the sample space. So we have here uh, die 1 and die 2. So these are the sample space 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Okay, so and so forth. So but the whole you have to do is a partner. Okay, next. Find the sample space for a gender of children if a family has three children. Okay, see if you can list all the possibilities. Okay, we have here boy, 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 BBG, BGB, BGG, GBGC. This are out. There are out eight outcomes because we have three children involved. So there are three elements. Okay, let's have this. Tree diagram is a device used to list all possibilities in systematic way. Now each branch lists their choices. So let's do the tree diagram of the previous example with the gender of the three children. So remember we had eight outcomes like this. Now as you can see here, we have starting from the boy and girl. So we can say we have boy, girl, then from boy we branch out again, boy and girl here, boy and girl. And of course from here, because they are three, so we have boy and girl also. And then we partner all of it. So we have boy, 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 girl, boy. Okay, and so on and so forth. So just like that. No, if you can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from using the tree diagram, we could say that our answer, previous answer is correct. So there are eight outcomes. Okay, through the experiment using the tree diagram. Okay, let's have display the sample space using tree diagram of a coin that is toss and a die is roll. So here, so there are 12 outcomes. So from two heads or from the head and tail, because a coin is only head and tail, then partner it with one die each. So we have 12, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. And these are the possible outcomes. Okay, next. Let's try. No? So draw a tree diagram if you toss one coin and a spin of four. So if you have a coin again has a head and tail, so we can have this result. So we have then we have the spin, no? We have a spinner which has a four, so we have eight outcomes again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next. Now, if you have a partner, you can work in pairs. So let's have here. Now, a lunch menu has a choice of the following. One form to category. So we have meat, starts, and drinks. So list all the possible combination. How are we going to do that? Okay, so of course, will you start from hamburger, hot dog, chicken, so fried French fries, BF, the baked potato, French fries, baked potato, French fries, baked potato. Of course, we have Coke here. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that we have 12 outcomes. Okay. Now we have here in this activity, Sue and Tom play in a tournament. So the first person to win 2 out of 3 games is the winner. So find the possible outcomes. Here, no? So we have Sue and Tom. So and Tom. So and Tom. So as you can see, there are game over because there are only three. There are only two of them. No, of course, the first with no partner will be out. Okay, so yun. There are only three outcomes. Okay. So I hope you understand already. Now for your journal writing, for this is from Benny Coates by Mary Tyler Moore. Take chances, make mistakes. That's how you grow. Pain nourishes your courage. You have to fail in order to practice being brave. Totoo naman guys, no? So, ilang araw na lang, you will be on vacation already. Take your break, magpahinga, and of course, um, sleep, sleep well, and time, give time to explore, read books, not just books from the internet that you always do, but real books. Please, I am requesting all of you to read real books that have your interest. Okay? And then please do your journal and pass it next week. Okay? So these are so we the things to remember. Okay, you may take a note for our final gradings. Bye to all my friends from Organic Barcada family, YTC International, Foodie Food teams. Thank you so much for everyone for always supporting me ever there. And of course, my students from my advisory class. I love you guys. Connections, of course, creativity and cooperation. I'm glad, no. So for the last 2 weeks that we'll be together, we will make a moment of our history. God bless you guys. Love you all.